Hey everybody, we made it! Here's our final video for the big reveal. For those of you who are new, I have been taking this supplement, the Dermal Repair Complex, for the past 3 months, and I am ready to show my side-by-side and see if there is a difference. The lighting isn't the same, but in the after picture, it looks like my forehead lines are less deep, also under the eyes. Looks like it's a little less dark, and also around my mouth it seems like those lines might be a little less deep as well. The results are in, and now it's time to decide if I recommend this product or not. Most of the people that are commenting are saying that it looks like my skin looks more improved, more full, more plump. I think it's hard for me to tell for sure, but I would say that my skin does feel healthier, and I feel like it has maybe more of a glow. I'm not sure I'll be continuing to take this product, however. I don't know if it is significant enough to continue and to keep purchasing the supplement. Maybe I'll stop for a while, and if I notice that my skin changes, then maybe I'll start up again. But it's worth a try. I think all skin might react differently, and I think it may have helped a little bit, but maybe not as significant as I would have liked it to. So that's that. So here it is one last time. Beverly Hills Dermal Repair Complex. Let me know in the comments what you thought, if you think that it was worth it, maybe if you think I should keep doing it, or what your opinion is, and if there's anything else you want me to try, any recommendations or things you want me to review, let me know in the comments. Thanks everybody. Bye bye.